In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate a Base44 app to Lovable. We're going to walk through the full process of moving your existing project from Base44 into Lovable in a clean, practical way. The goal here is to make sure your project files are exported properly, pushed to GitHub, and then connected so Lovable can read and work with your code base. Start by opening Base44 and navigating to the project you want to migrate. Once you're inside the correct project, download the full source code files to your local machine. This is an important part of the process because you'll need a complete local copy of the app before you connect anything else. After that, look for the three-dot menu in your Base44 project and click it. From that menu, choose the GitHub connection option. This helps set up the handoff from your exported Base44 files into a Git-based workflow, which is what Lovable works best with. Next, initialize a Git repository locally using the exported Base44 files. Then create a new repository on GitHub and push your project code to that repository. Make sure the upload completes successfully because Lovable will need access to this GitHub repo in the next part of the setup. Once your code is on GitHub, open Lovable and start a brand new project. In the project settings, connect that new Lovable project directly to the GitHub repository you just created. This connection allows Lovable to pull in your code and understand the project structure. Now, inside Lovable, click the plus sign button on the prompt box. From there, open Connectors, then choose the available app connector section. In the search bar, type GitHub and select GitHub API from the results. After that, click Sync My Code to begin syncing your repository into Lovable. At this stage, Lovable will inspect your project files, so it's important to verify that your codebase includes the standard configuration files needed for a React and TypeScript app. For example, make sure files like package.json and your Vite configuration are present. These files help Lovable properly parse the project, identify dependencies, and understand how the app should be built. If those configuration files are missing or incomplete, the migration may not work smoothly, so it's worth doing a quick check before moving forward. Once everything is in place, your Base44 project should now be connected through GitHub and ready to work inside Lovable. And that's the complete migration flow from Base44 to Lovable.